Hello and welcome back, my friends. So I'm back out at the prickly pear cactus harvesting some cactus pear. Now these fruits have been harvestable on this plant now for over 3 months, so it holds on to that fruit and the skin goes from a yellow to a reddish tint, and the entire time the fruits are edible, they're delicious. I highly recommend that you look into growing your very own prickly pear. There are different varieties, but for the most part, just about everyone should be able to grow a prickly pear cactus in their garden. Now, the main purpose of today's video, my friends, is to hopefully inspire you to really get your butt into gear and start to grow even more edible crops in your yard. You see, the wife and I were at the grocery store the other night, and it is undeniable. The price of food is really skyrocketing. And in particular, it's some of the fresh foods, so the freshly harvested fruits, vegetables, meats, these sort of things are really taking off. And just for reference, we are just at your typical grocery store. It's not a discount store, not a specialty grocery store, just your average grocery store. And look, they're selling some of these prickly pear cactus here. $2.99 a piece. $2.99. I don't know very many people who could justify or afford paying that much for these fruits. And the thing about it is, they grow in abundance, as you can see here in my yard. But that's not it, my friends. I shared with you the other day me pulling a rather large pomegranate harvest off of one of my trees in my backyard. And I was making reference to the fact that those pomegranates can go for around $3 a piece. Well, the price has gone up again. Check it out. $3.99 per pomegranate. This is just a conventional pomegranate. Last year they were $2.99. 2 years ago they were $1.99. It's a doubling in price. And what makes this even more interesting is that this grocery store is located in the same area where I'm located, where pomegranates grow very well, and it's one of the easier fruits to grow. So why isn't everyone who enjoys a pomegranate not growing a pomegranate tree in their yard if they've got space for it? But this one takes the cake right here. Check this out, guys. Here is the Feijoa, also known as pineapple guava. Now, we pulled many a harvest and shared that with you on this channel. This is another plant that I suggest everyone try their hand at growing. Look into it, see if it'll fit into your landscape, into your climate zone, and give it a go. It's a beautiful evergreen shrub-like ornamental plant, and it grows an abundance of these fruits. And they're charging $2.99 a piece for these little fruits, which are, like a small kiwi. So hopefully it's becoming more and more clear to the masses that growing your own food is one of the greatest investments that you could make, not just in your pocketbook, saving you money when you go to the store, supplementing your grocery bill, but it's also about investing in your health. It's also about getting the freshest, best tasting fruits and vegetables right there from your own backyard on demand. So guys, if you're already growing a garden, congratulations, you're awesome. I just want to encourage you to keep on trying to pack it in. And if you're new to gardening, you're thinking about starting a garden next season, now's the time to start planning. Now's the time to start getting motivated, getting ahead of the game. Research what types of fruit trees grow well in your area and what you know that you would enjoy eating out of your yard. And order those trees early if you can, online or from a local nursery. And don't worry about the time or the years you think it's going to take before you start reaping that abundant harvest. Time flies, my friends. You'd be surprised. So even if you don't have long-term plans at the place that you're at right now, just know that when you leave behind a perennial fruit tree, for example, something that's going to feed the next occupant, you're doing a wonderful thing that all comes back to you. Hopefully, your next property, you'll find a mature apple tree or pear tree in the yard ready to go. So that's going to wrap this video up. Stay positive, stay in an abundant mindset, get ahead of the game. Guys, I'm here hopefully to motivate you and keep you on task in the garden. If you're like me and you love seeing the end results, if you love seeing things develop in your landscape that you planted in the ground and now they're fully matured and they're producing for you and your family, allowing you to eat well and even barter with others, then you are in the right place. Here at the Plant Abundance YouTube channel, we're going to keep on sharing with you everything that we're doing and hopefully build this community. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you harvested from your garden today or what you plan on growing next year, We love hearing from you. So with that, have yourself a great rest of the day. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.